supposed to be able to just twist this off. Let me see if I can do it. Oh my gosh, this thing hasn't been taken off ever, so it's gonna be like bitch and a half, dude. I can't even get it. I need to get it to it. You're good. Some actual. There we go. Oh yeah. Just a little tightening. Shit was really on there. There we go. Okay, here's the new antenna. 8-inch one. Oh yeah. Much better. Simple modification right there. I get a big ass fucking tool for it. My weak little wrists just can't do it. Okay. And it works just fine. Get rid of this monstrosity. It's a little bent too. Oh hell yeah. Cool. Okay. One down, one more to go. Right here. Yeah, okay. Here we go. I'm not sure, I think you just pop this off. I just don't know exactly how. Oh, fuck it up. Good old YouTube. Oh my god. Really? What? Oh my god. That's crazy, dude. You feel like you're gonna fucking break it. Okay, that's really all I needed right there. Alright, well, that's how you do it. Let me go ahead and shut. Let me go ahead and shut this other door. Ugh. Okay, that way the lights go off. I think they'll go off. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Shit hasn't been. Okay. Not too bad. Cool. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. And here's the new lights. Obviously, we all know what. Whoa! Okay, yeah, dude, that's hot. That's kind of a stupid thing on my part. Should have known better than that. I just don't even fucking fit, bro. Huh. Yeah, put him in the wrong way. Oh yeah, I put him in the wrong way. I just gotta fucking figure out how to. Okay, there's too big for the hole, so what do? Shimmy them in there? I don't get it. Damage them, fuck them up. Damn, dude. Those are some bright motherfuckers. Like, they're just too big. How do I get them in there? I can't force it in. I don't want to rip it apart. That's kind of fucked up. Don't you think? I don't really know what to do. I'm gonna have to fucking, like, modify that shit. There's just simply no way I can fit it in there. The LEDs are too big for the hole. I mean, unless there's a specific way, but I'm not seeing it. These fucking lights are huge, man. Huh. Guess I'm gonna have to get a knife and warm it up. But we're gonna move on to the next thing and the other. They're working. They're fucking bright. So to get the 2005 Mustang LED conversion kit lights in, I'm gonna have to. I had to cut a little bit because they're just too fat. Like they can go in this way. They're just too fat to go in this way. You get what I'm saying? So this is normal. This is factory. This is modded. It's a little bit bigger. But that's not going to affect anything that way. But if you change it this way, that'll integrity of the piece. So I'm not going to do it that way. But that's all I needed to do is cut the opposite way as to why it can't fit. So it's not going to change anything. Even if I put the OEM one back in, that wouldn't change anything. So, what was that? Oh, the pencil, really, guys? You cats. Okay. But yeah, let's go do that real quick. We're going to give it a shot. Alright, this is probably a couple weeks later, but finally, I mean I had it done that day, but now you can see the difference in how bright they are, especially during the day. I mean, I can see my shadow and shit. It's like, this LED conversion was a very nice touch to this car, especially with all that old shit you can barely fucking see half the time. Now when I turn it on, I can see everything, which is great. There we go. This is what happens. This is what you have to get when you don't have the touchscreen yet. I'm gonna get that thing that replaces the factory. The only thing that sucks is this is in the way, but I'll get used to it. Alright. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, but most of all, subscribe if you want to see more. I appreciate it. You guys have a good one.